In this video, we are going to fix the 0x8e5e03fa when updating Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's get started. The first solution that you can do is that you need to run the SFC scan. So how we can do that, at the search box, please type for CMD. Once done, please wait until you can see a best match here in this window, which is the command prompt system. Once it's here, the command prompt system, you need to navigate to the right side and wait until you can get an option where you can run it as an administrator. Once it's here, directly click on it. And if your user account control would ask you to say yes, click on yes so that you can continue on running this window. So doing the system scan will only take you to type for SFC space forward slash scannow. It will only need you to type for this one. Don't worry because I'll be including this command at the YouTube description. You can simply copy and paste it here. So click on the enter key once you have typed it, and this process will take some time, maybe 5 to 7 minutes. But please be patient, and once you have done it, you need to close this window and then restart your computer and then try to run for Windows Update manually. How we can do that? Open your Google Chrome browser and then search for Microsoft Update Catalog. Proceed to the website, which is under Microsoft.com, an official website for it. And there here, you'll be able to see a page like this. Please type for the Windows Update code. It goes with keybies, okay? So for example, this one, click on search. Once you have searched it, you'd be able to be navigated to the list of results. Just have to navigate to the relevant result where you can update your computer, then download it. In that way, you'd be able to update your PC. Okay? So that's it. If you think this video had helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe. You may also click or turn on the notification bell so that you'd be notified for more upcoming tutorials. Now, thank you and have a good day.